Hi guys, welcome to the channel. After Thorne Melcher lost her job as a software engineer in February, bills started piling up. Her girlfriend, Mandy Musselwhite, was able to cover a few expenses selling her artwork, but the couple quickly fell behind on their mortgage payments. Melcher and Musselwhite own a homestead outside of Atlanta. Not only did they spend a lot of time saving to afford the $300,000 property in 2019, but it includes a farmhouse where they've raised 6 ducks, 2 geese, and other animals. And in today's video, we will be showing you a couple who made nearly $120,000 in under 6 hours by selling NFTs. Without further ado, let's begin. A lot of very smart people said about Bitcoin. They were wrong. Bitcoin is at $52,000 and more installation investors joining by the droves. But now, however, they're using the same arguments against NFTs. NFTs will work because they use blockchain technology. Think about a piece of priceless art like the Mona Lisa. We appreciate art, collectibles, houses, and almost everything valuable too because its uniqueness and originality. Until now, digital art never had the same quality. It felt too saturated. NFTs are turning that on its head and validate your collectible online pieces as the one and only original. Fearful of foreclosure, the couple co-created Dastardly Ducks, a collection of 10,000 cartoon duck non-fungible tokens, NFTs, generated a code with unique combinations of over 100 different trials, in them just under $120,000. We saved our family by selling cartoon ducks. It was like a fever dream, although the couple wasn't already known in the NFT space. A small group of supporters helped generate interest in the project. It was perfect timing, too. Our lives changed overnight, Melcher says. Before the NFT sale, the couple had a few bank accounts overdrawn. Musselwhite had a balance of negative $4.11 in one account, she says, and just 89 cents left with her Cash App. Along with struggling to pay bills, they could barely afford food. They also didn't have the funds to afford the fee to deploy the collection's smart contracts at first. Smart contracts are collections of code that carry out a set of instructions on the blockchain and are crucial to power NFTs. Each Ethereum transaction requires computational energy to complete, so users are charged to free and execute their transactions. Transactions involving a smart contract, like those for NFTs, require more energy and tend to have higher fees. Luckily, a friend offered to cover the fee for Dastardly Ducks. We were really broke, Melcher says, and then hours later, we had more money than we'd ever had at once. If you're enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. How they did it. The couple began working on Dastardly Ducks in early January. It felt like we started a startup and launched our first project from conception to release in under 2 weeks, Melcher said. It was kind of intense how fast that all came together. As a coder, Melcher was quickly able to learn Solidity, a programming language for developing smart contracts that run on the Ethereum blockchain, with the help of a few mentors in the space. Musselwhite, a graphic artist, designed each Dastardly Duck. It was the perfect fusion of our talents, Melcher says. It was kind of intense how fast that all came together. Prior to the collection's release, the couple received criticism online regarding the potential impact of NFTs on the environment, as the process of creating them can require a lot of computer power. But it was important to Melcher and Musselwhite to be as sustainable as possible in their approach, so Melcher coded the first contracts to be well suited for batch minting. That made it possible for buyers to purchase and mint a 12-pack of Dastardly Ducks, which uses less energy than doing it one by one. Minting an NFT is a process of turning an asset into a token that's represented on the blockchain. It allows NFT owners to both prove that they have the asset and be able to sell it if they want. To code the smart contract this way, Melcher had help from another popular NFT collection called Azuki, she says. Melcher was able to iterate on their white power to create the code for the dastardly ducks. In order to save environment problems, we can pretend new technology innovations will go away, she says. Rather, we must learn to use them in responsible ways. The collection was on the affordable side, which boosted interest in it too. At the time of release, each dastardly duck cost about $15 and a 12-pack cost around $120. Looking ahead, Melcher and Musselwhite are hopeful for the future, especially after a rough few years amid the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm trans and I was supposed to get surgery. Then, that got delayed over and over and over again because of the pandemic, Melcher says. Finding a new job has been difficult as well. Melcher has found contract work in the meantime, but is looking forward to landing a full-time position sometime soon. After the launch of the Dastardly Ducks, I have so many people who suddenly want to work with me as a Solidity coder. These are people who are interested in working with Mandy, Musselwhite, as an artist, Melcher says. Melcher and Musselwhite hope to raise more real ducks on their farm as well. We only have half a dozen ducks, and we've always wanted to expand beyond this, Melcher says. We already have more eggs than what we knew what to do with for personal use, and now there are people on our Discord channel that are wondering how they can pay for real eggs off of us. Thorn Melcher and Mandy Musselwhite have a homestead in Metro Atlanta, which includes a farmhouse where they'll raise 6 ducks, 2 geese, and other animals. Courtesy of Thorn Melcher and Mandy Musselwhite. Though any dastardly duck owner is welcome to use their ducks in their own content, Melcher and Musselwhite own the rights to the collection name and style, they say. The couple helps to continue the Dastardly Duck brand and work on new projects with the NFT space. They'll also continue to earn a royalty of secondary sales, where volume traded is currently around $6,354 in total on OpenSea. We're not resting on our laurels and feeling comfortable. This is just the gateway to something bigger. Melcher says, I want to know that we are secure. I don't want to worry about money. The big priority is making sure the bills are paid. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below. Do you think NFTs have the potential to make some good amounts in the future for its early buyers? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.